The Appliance Management Program is one of the programs offered through the Weatherization Department here at Community Action Partnership. What the Appliance Management Program does is we go into residents' homes and we test their house for energy efficiency. We'll hook up the appliances to some of our meters to see how efficient they're running, and we'll also provide education and resources for the resident to ensure they maintain an energy efficient household. As a part of the Appliance Management Program, we'll go in and we'll replace appliances such as the refrigerator and the freezers with Energy Star efficient appliances, and we'll also replace the light bulbs with LED energy efficient light bulbs as well. In order to be eligible for the Appliance Management Program, you have to be on the National Grid Low Income Rate, or you have to receive LIHEAP from Community Action Partnership of Providence. When residents fill out their LIHEAP application, it's best that they speak to their benefit eligibility specialist if they want more information about the program. The LED program at CAP is a service offered through the Weatherization Department that goes into residents' homes within the city of Providence to identify health hazards. Some of the hazards that might exist could be mold, dust, lead paint, and chips, vermin such as rats, cockroaches. A lot of these things contribute to asthma, and that's one of the major health risks that our children face in the city of Providence. During the first inspection, the resident educator will identify any hazards that exist within the household around health and safety. A resident educator will provide information on how to avoid those triggers, and prevention kits will be left with the resident for their usage after the first visit. In order to be eligible for the LED program, you have to live in the city of Providence. You have to have a child under the age of 6 that either regularly visits the house or lives in the household, and the house has to be built prior to 1978. The benefits of the LED program are that, number one, there's no cost to the resident at all for any of the remediation that we may do in the household. Another benefit of the program is that the resident leaves with a plan to maintain a healthy environment in their household for them and their families. Weatherization is one of the programs offered through CAP where we will go into the household and we will determine energy efficiency. During that process, an energy auditor will go in and do a complete diagnostic of the household, and they'll start from the basement and work their way all the way up through the attic. The Weatherization program provides a number of services, starting with window and door repair, minor structural repairs, duct sealing, air sealing. Carbon monoxide detectors and smoke detectors will be installed if the household needs it. In some cases, the heating system can be replaced. We will always go into the household and do a clean, tune, and evaluation of all heating systems as part of the Weatherization program. If we find during that process that the heating system needs to be replaced, then we will move the system forward for replacement. In order to be eligible for Weatherization, you have to be a recipient of LIHEAP, which means that you had to fill out a heating assistance application and receive a grant from Community Action Partnership. During your LIHEAP interview, you have to check off that you're interested in Weatherization on the back of your application. For more information, definitely talk to your benefit eligibility specialist during your LIHEAP interview.